What?
Chewbacca?
Remember that dude? He had a Chewbacca backpack.
Oh yeah.
So good. He's like, I'm hungry. We're like, oh, what do you need to eat?
Yeah, I'm hungry. Can I have your bracelet? Like, no, it's just like,
Yeah,
it's like, oh.
I want it too.
It's like, I know. It's like, get away from my bracelet.
And then he made us watch.
We're gonna go see the Twilight Saga.
It's not over yet.
Oh yeah. Why'd you slap me? That hurts.
I'm sorry.
God. Jeez, with your.
Dance.
Okay. I'm gonna.
Hey, look at that big ass head. Hey, it's 3D.
Whoa, that's legit. I feel like I can touch it.
Hey man, let's get in movie mode. Chillax, wing nut.
What?
That's creepy.
Let's dance.
Ow.
We're gonna dance. Oh man. Huh?
How do we dance?
I'm setting my phone up. I can record that.